Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find your Ikea family card in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just simply look at the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and you can see there a card symbol. You can just press on it and here you will be able to find your Ikea family card. You can see your full name there and the numbers of the card, and you can scan this QR code with something or show it to somebody to scan it if it's necessary. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.